Thank you.
Oh, I think a little came up. Oh. What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be collaborating with the one, the only, SuperStupidPoop. This guy is the OG of pranking. He has close to 300 videos on YouTube. He is a huge idol, and I'm so thankful to be working with him. The link for his channel will be in the description, and you should definitely check him out, subscribe, let him know I sent you, and have the barrel of laughs, because that guy is hilarious.
Oh! I can't believe it. Can you believe it?
What happened?
It came out of my gargantua, my fallopian tubes, right into the basket.
You doing okay now, right?
I think so. My Lanta.
Oh, my uterus hurts. Oh, God. Oh. Sparkle. Brawny? Oh, God. Oh, boy. Ah, shouldn't have garlic, man. Oh, God. I think some came up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Dinosaur?
Oh.
Oh. Ah, shouldn't have garlic. Oh, I think some came up. Oh, boy.
Pardon me. This took the demon right out of me. Damn it. Yes, it did.
Oh, my uterus. Oh. Oh, that burned. That burned.
$7, you said?
Yeah, that's...
If I get 2 of them and I get $1 off, that'd be worth it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Will! I need your assistance.